I think I messed up. Why? Because I just discovered these incredible car gadgets and now I can't imagine driving without them. First up, the dash cam. This little gem records every detail of your drive, offering peace of mind with solid evidence in case of accidents. Next, the Bluetooth adapter. Say goodbye to tangled aux cables and hello to wireless music and hands-free calls. Moving on, ever been stuck with a dead battery? The portable jump starter is your new best friend, powering up your car without needing another vehicle. And for the tech-savvy, the OBD2 scanner is a must-have. It reads engine error codes, helping you catch problems before they worsen. Don't forget the magnetic phone mount, keeping your phone in view for easy navigation without the distraction. And talking about safety, the tire pressure monitoring system ensures your tires are in tip-top shape, boosting your car's efficiency and safety. Need a quick cleanup? The car vacuum cleaner is compact yet powerful, perfect for a spotless interior. And for tech lovers, the USB car charger juices up all your devices at lightning speed. Lastly, the heads-up display projects vital driving info right onto your windshield, and the seat gap filler saves your fries from disappearing into the abyss between seats. With these gadgets, every drive becomes a journey worth enjoying. Ready to upgrade your ride?